Thanks for coming to WeCast, y'all. Taking a look at the Daiwa Tatula Cork casting and spinning rods. These actually won an award at ICAST, and there's a very good reason why. These come in a multitude of different combinations for casting and spinning, whether you're throwing a moving bait like a crankbait, a chatterbait, a spinner bait, a Texas rig, a Carolina rig, a big worm. I mean, you name it, this lineup has them all, and they are all very different when it comes to your handle length as well as the overall action and taper in each of these rods. There are some glass composite style rods. There are a ton of different models to check out. Let me tell you a little bit more about why we love these rods and why a lot of our customers love these rods as well. It's no nonsense design, y'all. It is a just sleek matte black finish using an X45 blank, SVF blank. The cork is a premium cork. It is a high density cork, and it's not going to crumble on you very easily at all. Trust me, I've had one in my boat for a long time, and this cork remains to be just unchanged. Of course, discolored just a little bit after touching a bunch of fish, but again, no nonsense design. I mean, it is sleek, it's robust, a little bit of artsiness on there, and again, just so many models for you to check out. We have had these in the shop for a little bit. Lots of customers absolutely love these. I don't think we've even had a breakage yet, any warranties like that, or any warranty claims yet, but absolutely amazing rods from Daiwa, and I can see why they won a best in category at ICAST. So y'all, if you're still at WeCast here, make sure to check them all out. They're right behind me, and we can get you set up with one of these. These also qualify for free shipping. All orders over $50 will qualify for free shipping at lakeporttackle.com. So make sure to check them out. This is, again, the Daiwa Tatula Cork casting and spinning rods. Thanks for watching, guys.